Getting off.
Dialogue 1.
Excuse me, what is the next station?
Chinatown.
Is this where I get off?
Where are you going?
Fucho Restaurant.
Right here. It's just near the stop.
Okay, thank you.
Dialogue 2.
What did you say your stop was?
The Fifth Avenue.
The Fifth Avenue? You are past your stop. You should have gotten off at the last stop.
Should I? But you didn't call me.
Sorry, there are too many people. I forget it.
Is it far from here?
Don't worry, you can get off at the next stop and walk back. It's just a couple of blocks.
What is the next stop?
It's City Square.
Renting a car.
Dialogue 2.
I went to rent a car for 1 week.
Okay, no problem. What type do you have in mind?
Do you have any Japanese cars?
Mid-size SUV?
Yes.
Let me see, we have a Honda Odyssey. Is that okay?
Great. What's the rate per day?
It's $50 plus tax per day. Unlimited mileage.
I'm going to keep it for 5 days.
Can I see your driver's license?
Sure, here is my driver's license.
Please sign here.
Dialogue 2.
How many people will be driving the car?
Only me. Do you offer insurance on the rental car?
Yes, we do. Do you want insurance?
I'd like full insurance.
Good. The insurance for one person is $2 a day.
All right, can I return the car at another one of your agencies?
Yes, just make sure to show them your driver's license, and they will be able to pull all your information from the computer.
Okay.
Here is our emergency roadside service phone number. If you have any problems, just call and someone will come pick you up.
Parking.
Dialogue 1.
Hi, any spot left?
Yes, there are still plenty of spots.
What is the parking fee per hour here?
10 yuan an hour.
How much would be if I parked here for an hour and 10 minutes?
20 yuan, sir. We change by the number of hours.
I see. Thanks.
Dialogue 2.
Excuse me, sir, is this your car?
Yeah. What's wrong?
I'm afraid you've parked in the wrong spot.
Oh, really? Isn't this spotty 1 to 3?
No, it's F123, my parking space. Yours is over there.
I'm sorry, I must have been confused. I'll move my car right away.
It's no big deal.
Being fined for violation.
Dialogue 1.
Excuse me, may I see your driver's license?
Yes, here it is. Any violation, officer?
You were speeding.
I'm sorry, I don't know the speed limit of this zone.
This is a 35-mile zone and you were diving 45. There is your citation. Please read the instructions on it and go to pay the fine.
Okay, may I have my driver's license now?
Here you go. Be careful from now on.
I'll keep it in mind, thank you.
Dialogue 2.
Hey boy, get off, please. You were just running a red light.
Was I? I didn't see the red light.
Did you? Look, it's behind you. Now please show me your license.
Here is my license.
I have to give you a penalty ticket.
How much will I be fined for running a red light?
The citation is $392 plus traffic school. Fee $40. That will be $432.
Oh dear, you know I'm a visitor here, so I'm quite strange to this place.
Will, in that case I will let you go. Please pay attention to the traffic regulations here.
Thank you very much. I will be careful next time.
Traffic accidents.
Dialogue 1.
Oh, my God.
Are you all right, miss?
Thank goodness, I'm just all right.
I'm very sorry I hit you, and I hope that the damage to your car isn't serious.
The left front side is dented. We should call the police.
Don't worry, I will call the cop at once.
All right, may I have your plate number?
Sure, I'll write it down on my business card. My insurance will pay for this. They contact you soon.
Thanks.
Anyway, I feel really sorry for this.
Dialogue 2.
Hello? 911. Can I help you?
It's an emergency. I was in a car accident.
Where did it happen? What street are you on?
East Hilton Drive.
Stay right there. We'll be there in 5 minutes.
Could you call an ambulance for me? My friend was hurt.
Okay.
To the hotel.
Dialogue 1.
Could you have a taxi pick me up and take me to your hotel before 1 p.m.?
What is your place, sir?
Place Airport.
Which terminal will you be at?
No 2.
Okay, someone will be there at 12:15.
What are your rates?
It is $2 initially and 35 cents for each quarter mile.
I have for very large suitcases. Will those fit in the taxi?
No, I'll send a larger vehicle to pick you up.
Dialogue 2.
Hello. Hilton Hotel, my name is Ed Chen. I would like to request a pickup from the airport.
Certainly, sir. Please exit the terminal and go to the pickup spot just outside the door. I will radio a driver to meet you.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
How long is the ride to the hotel?
Traffic is backed up today, so it will take about 30 minutes. Sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you.
Checking in with reservation.
Dialogue 1.
I'd like to check in.
May I have your name?
Yes, Li Ming.
Do you have a reservation with us, sir?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Li Ming, your reservation is for a double room for tonight's, right?
That's right.
Could you fill out the registration card, please?
All right.
How would you like to settle your bill?
By credit card.
Okay, your room number is 25 on the 3rd floor. Have an enjoyable stay.
Dialogue 2.
My name is James Books. I have a reservation.
I'm sorry, Mr. Books, you had planned to arrive at about 6 tonight, but it is near midnight now, so we cancelled your reservation.
Yes, I didn't have a chance to call you. Do you have any other rooms available?
We only have an executive suite available now.
How much are those?
$150 a night.
That's pretty expensive, but I guess I've not choice, but I want to change rooms tomorrow.
Leading to the room.
Dialogue 1.
Here we are. This is your room. The bathroom is here.
Are there any extra blankets? Sometimes I feel caught at night.
You can call the chambermaid and ask her for that.
Okay. And can I have some ice?
There's a machine near the elevator. Just help yourself. If you need anything else, please call room service.
Thank you. This is for you.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your visit. Dialogue 2.
Well, what do you think of the room?
It's very pleasant and it's also cool. I love the color scheme.
White and blue are cool colors and, of course, the room is air-conditioned.
There is plenty of hanging space in these fitted wardrobes, in fact more than I shall need.
Perhaps you'll need it when you buy the lovely clothes. By the way, you have a telephone on the bedside table. That's very convenient as you can phone whenever you want.
I'm going to enjoy it.
The bathroom is over there and we have a 24 hours hot and cold water sup.
Laundry service.
Dialogue 1.
Hello, Mama.
Good afternoon. What can I do for you?
Can I have the laundry done today?
Certainly, sir. Can you fill out the laundry from first, please?
Okay. Here you are.
That's fine, thank you. By the way, where is your laundry?
Here is the laundry bag.
Any more?
No. Do I then leave it outside my room?
No, leave it inside and someone will pick it up.
When will it be ready?
Tomorrow morning.
Dialogue 2.
I'd like to have this laundry done.
Could you fill out the laundry form?
Okay, I want to have this sweater washed by hand in cold water. It might shrink otherwise.
By hand in cold water, I understand.
And I'd like this garment dry cleaned, please.
Okay. Anything else?
Do you have a mending service for clothes? I'd like the dress mended.
Yes, we can mend them.
When will they be ready?
We will deliver them tomorrow evening, around 6 p.m.
Room service.
Dialogue 1.
What time do you begin your service in the morning?
We usually start from 7, but if you have special needs, you can tell the front desk the night before.
Oh, but ...
Or you can also tell me now. We'll send your food over at your requested time.
Very good. Could you send to American breakfast to our room at 6 tomorrow morning? We must leave the hotel before 7.
No problem, so room 1005. To American breakfast, 6 tomorrow morning.
That's right.
Dialogue 2.
Room service, may I help you?
Can I still get something to eat at this time of night?
What would you like?
I'll have a sandwich and a hot chocolate.
What kind of sandwich would you like? We have steak, cheese, ham, salami, tuna, chicken.
I'll take the tuna, please.
No problem, sir. May I have your name and your room number?
This is Bob Jackson, room 801.
Good. I'll be up in a couple of minutes.
Morning call service.
Dialogue 1.
Will you do me a favor, miss?
Certainly, sir.
I wonder if your hotel has the morning call service.
Yes, sir. Would you like a morning call?
Yes, I must get up earlier tomorrow.
At what time do you want me to call you up, sir?
At 6 sharp tomorrow morning, please.
By phone or by knocking at the door?
By phone.
Okay, I'll tell the operator to call you up at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Anything else I can do for you?
No, thanks.
Dialogue 2.
Room services, can I help you?
I'm going to New York early tomorrow morning, so I would like to request an early morning call.
No problem. At what time would you like to call tomorrow morning?
At 6 sharp tomorrow morning, please.
By phone or by knocking at the door?
By knocking at the door, I usually have a deep sleep.
Okay, so we will wake you up at 6:00 tomorrow morning.
Housekeeping.
Dialogue 1.
Housekeeping. May I clean your room now, madam?
Come in, please.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. What about tidying up a bit in this bathroom? We've had a bath and it's quite a mess.
Okay, I'd clean the toilet bowl, wash basin, and tub, then put some fresh towels there.
And we need 2 more pairs of bath slippers.
All right, I get off at 10:30 a.m., but I will tell the daytime attendant to send them up.
Thank you. And the children have just played on the bed, so please change our sheets and pillowcases.
No problem, I will tidy it up.
You've been so helpful. Thank you.
Dialogue 2.
Housekeeping. May I come in?
Oh, sorry, I haven't even got up yet.
When would you like me to do your room?
Could you come back in an hour?
I'm sorry to disturb you. If you need clean your room, please call DTS or shop, or hand the make up the room card.
I will. Thank you.
Maintenance service.
Dialogue 1.
Is this the maintenance department? This is room for 103.
Yes. What is it, sir?
The TV set in my room doesn't work.
Have you checked the plug? They get pulled out sometimes.
Yes, I checked that, and this is the second time that it hasn't worked.
I'm sorry. I'll send someone right up to have check.
Thank you.
Dialogue 2.
Room service, may I help you?
This is from room 208. I'm afraid that the heating system doesn't work. It's very cold here.
Have you switched it on the radiator?
Yes, I have switched it on for almost half an hour. The room is still very cold.
We're terribly sorry for that. We'll send our staff to fix it now. Or do you want to change your room?
I prefer not to move first.
Okay, is it convenient for us to come now?
Yes, please.
Offline service.
Dialogue 1.
Hello, Mr. Wang?
Yes, what is the matter?
Oh, you have a message note here.
Who's it from?
A Mr. Lee. He said he's your friend in New York, and he wanted you to call him back as soon as possible.
Let me see. Oh, it's Tom. Did he say anything else?
No, nothing else.
All right, thank you very much.
Dialogue 2.
This is Johnson in room 218.
Yes, Mr. Johnson. Any messages for me? Just a moment, sir. Yes, Mr. Johnson. There's a message for you.
Who is it from?
It's from John Simmons, Simmons.
Will you read it to me, please?
He said, I will come to your hotel tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock.
What time did Mr. Simmons call? Did he leave his phone number?
At 10:30 this morning, his home phone. Number is 57162322. Is there anything else, sir?
No, thank you. Goodbye.